Analyze your data using aidataexplorer for quick insights and deep data exploration. Your interactions are saved automatically as explorations, which you can edit and regenerate later. To access the AI Data Explorer landing page, open the All menu and navigate to AI Data Explorer. You can also launch the AI Data Explorer dialog box from any list supported by the semantic layer to explore the data faster and more effectively. This includes workflow data fabric tables when you add them to the semantic layer. Or you can access the dialog box from any data visualization supported by the semantic layer, such as those on dashboards or workspaces, to explore and gain insights without losing context. Ask AI Data Explorer questions about your data in natural language, or select one of the suggested questions to automatically create an exploration. AI Data Explorer turns your questions into AI-generated snapshots of text insights and data visualizations about your data. You'll need to regenerate the information if your data changes, as it will not refresh automatically. Click the Maximize icon to expand the window to full screen mode. Choose between Standard and Extended Analysis by selecting the drop-down menu. Standard Analysis gives instant, focused insights, perfect for quick exploration and high-level overviews. Extended Analysis provides deeper dives into your data. Keep asking questions in existing explorations to learn more. Add a goal to your exploration for better results and follow-up questions. Or edit the existing questions. The output will be regenerated according to the new question. Click on Edit Source to review the conditions for the generated data visualization. Add or remove conditions in the modal and regenerate the output based on the new conditions. Explorations are editable documents. To remove text, highlight it and press Delete. You can add text as well and refine it with AI. In our example, we prompt AI to elaborate on the selected text by clicking the Refine menu, selecting Elaborate, and inserting the new text below. Click Summarize to generate a summary of the document with AI. You can regenerate or delete the summary via the Regenerate and Delete options. Share explorations with other users from the sharing modal by granting them view or edit rights. If users have edit rights, they can actively collaborate on the document by asking questions or editing the document. Notify a user within an exploration by typing the @ symbol and their name to invoke the @mention feature. Add data visualizations generated in AI Data Explorer to a new dashboard that you create from scratch, an existing one, or the dashboard you are currently on. AI Data Explorer provides data analysis capabilities in your lists and data visualizations for quick insights, as well as in-depth explorations. To learn more, see our product documentation or knowledge base, or ask a question in the ServiceNow community.